Hi everybody! Today we are in a very interesting place. It is a food truck party here in Miami, more specifically in North Bay Village. But what really caught my attention, and I want to show you guys, is an ice cream that these guys do. They have a cold plate and they do their ice cream in rolls. Let's check this thing out or what, huh? This is the top seller ice cream, which again is not really an ice cream, it's basically an ice cream, actually it is an ice cream roll, which looks delicious. It has marshmallows, Oreos, M&Ms, and chocolate topping as well. Hope you enjoy it as much as I did already, it's delicious. This tastes really good. The same texture of a regular ice cream, but it's more consistent though, if it makes sense, because it really melts in your mouth really nicely, and this combination of M&Ms is just perfect. And another highlight of this ice cream is the calories. The ice cream itself has 0 calories. And naturally the sugars and calories are mostly on the topping, but it's amazing with the ice cream itself. It's really good. This was the food truck party of North Bay Village. Ice cream is gone, delicious, highly recommended. And don't forget that every Wednesday at 6 o'clock in the afternoon they start serving and they finish serving at 9 o'clock at night. However, there are food trucks here already by 5 o'clock, 5:30 you might be able to already be served, but the music and everything else starts at 6. Hope you enjoyed as much as I did. Thank you very much for watching this episode of Food and Culture.